Today I'll walk you through how to save your work on Power BI Query Editor, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to save your changes effectively so you can keep your data analysis on track. Let's get started. First, open Power BI Desktop. This is the main hub where you'll be working on your data visualizations and reports. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functions remain the same. Once you have Power BI Desktop open, navigate to the Home tab. Here, you'll find an option labeled Transform Data. Click on this and it will open the Power Query Editor. This is where the magic happens, where you can clean, transform, and prepare your data for analysis. After making your desired changes in the Power Query Editor, it's time to save your work. Click on the File menu at the top left corner of the window. You'll see three options available to you: Close and Apply, Apply, and Close. Let's break these down. Choosing Close and Apply means that your changes will be applied to your Power BI visual and the Power Query Editor window will close. It's like sealing a document after making edits. You're ready to move forward with your analysis. If you select Apply, your changes will be applied, but the Power Query Editor will remain open. This is useful if you want to continue making adjustments without losing your progress. Lastly, if you choose Close, no changes will be made, but the Power Query window will close. Think of it as putting a bookmark in a book. You're not ready to make changes yet, but you want to step away for a moment. For this demonstration, let's try Close and Apply. Click on that option now. As you can see, the changes you made are now reflected in your Power BI visual, and the Power Query Editor window has closed. This is a crucial step in ensuring that your data is saved and ready for further analysis. In summary, saving your work in Power BI Query Editor is straightforward. Remember to choose between Close and Apply, Apply, or Close based on your needs at that moment. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.